Hey guys, so welcome to my next video. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you should prepare for NLC, right? For next maybe 2 weeks you are having, right? And you're having a lot of things to study. Well, there are many students. They were not expecting that they're going to have the examination in November, right? Even in 17th of November, right? So the thing is that in this very short period of time, many of you are having amazing advantage. You know why? Because of the condition going on in right now, right? Maximum of the students were not studying properly. That means the condition is almost same for all the students. What condition I am talking about? That is about knowledge, that is about practice, that is about preparation status, right? Preparation status is not good. So if you'll put your effort with right strategy, then you can do, my dear, miracle in this examination. So what should be your strategy for this examination? I'm going to share with you in this video. Well, I have already created video in Hindi, so that is in my different channel, that is Joel Kumar Sen, and this one is Joel Kumar Sen English YouTube channel. So if you want to watch this video in Hindi, you can watch that, right? So I'm going to give you, my dear, few tips, and you can call these as strategy to prepare. First, my dear, I don't know what is your status, preparation status right now. First, what you should do revision, right, of your favorite subject, and then practice few questions those already asked in PSUs, maybe in SSC JE also. I hope you are having previous year books. Do not practice from PDF. It will kill your time because you have to browse a lot of websites, you have to download it and blah blah blah. I don't want to kill even 1 second of yours because it is very important. Well, you have to watch this video, right? So first you have to clear basic, and second you have to solve few questions of that subject. Next, do the same thing for that, and you have to repeat it for technical portion as well as non-technical portion, and give only and only 5 to 7 days to prepare basic, to do the revision, proper revision, and solving few questions, right? That's why many of the things will be in your mind, will come back slowly. So we have done it. So first done technical portion, then you can go for non-tech. So for tech portion, you can hardly, you should take 2 to 3 days, and for non-tech again 2 to 3 days. So once you have prepared the tech portion, it's time for something amazing. What is that? You have to write, my dear, test series. Now, there are many of the students always ask me for this, and we are giving you that thing. We have done this. We are providing test series for non-technical, 60 plus test. You can get, let me show you what are types of tests you are going to get. And even I'm going to put the link in the description for this, right? So if you see the content, look at the test series we're providing. From August 19 to March here, and then you will also get test series April, May, June, July. Right? We'll update the August one also. August or September will upload also, and you will get the test series like full length 5 tests, logical reasoning, English, aptitude, numerical ability, topic wise. I hope you can see it, right? And topic wise as well as subject wise for non-tech, so that you can prepare much better. Because in non-tech you don't have that much theory, especially in in this geography you're having theory, polity you are having, history you are having theory. Especially I'm talking about blood relation, arithmetical, counting figures, so you need to practice a lot. So we're providing that platform for you, and price is very minimum, that is 299 rupees. And let me show you what exactly you will see. The platform will be like this, look like this, and this will be like this, right? As you will see in the examination with timing also, and you will get result like this. Isn't that amazing, my dear? Right? So this is for non-tech portion. You must get this one, right? Now, if you're mechanical, so you are lucky, because we are providing mechanical test series technical portion, right? 10 full length tests you are providing, so that you can practice enough after doing first revision, right? And it's only 1499 rupees. Again, guy, my dear, you are going to get both the test series in the description. You must get, right? Now, after doing revision, within 3 days, write first test series and see what is the rank you are getting, how much marks you are getting, and do the analysis where you are making silly mistakes, and write down those mistakes in a piece of paper or maybe notebook. Now do again revision and write the second test series, and see whether you are, I mean, just giving the test, giving before giving the test series, read what are silly mistakes you made in the test series 1, and then write the test series 2, and then how much marks you are getting, right? If you are improving, obviously you must have been improved, right? So you have to keep doing revision, you have to see the silly mistakes, minimize the silly mistakes, and you have to go to the test series number 10. Maybe in test series 1 to 5th you will get less marks, but if you go beyond this, you will see something amazing within yourself. This is my personal experience, what I'm sharing with you right now. It happened with many of my students. So link for both the test series in the description. You must get it, right? There's so many students are writing this test series as well. And now next, what is that? While writing test series, if you're finding out any key points, make those key points very short, precise notes, right? On a notebook, and do revision of those things every day 2 times, in the morning as well as in the evening, whether it is technical as well as non-technical. It is on you, but you have to do revision 2 times, in the morning and in before going to bed, so that all these complex things will be in your mind during the examination, and you will not get confused, my dear. I hope you got some amazing insight from this video. And thank you very much for watching this video. Like this video, share with your friends. And if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel. If you're facing any kind of any other problem, you can comment below. I'll try to help you. Thank you very much. Best of luck, and see you soon in test series. Both the links in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. God bless you all.